Welcome in the kitchen. I'm so glad y'all are here and you've joined me in my kitchen. It's getting ready to storm. It really is. I just went out and got some things out of the freezer and there's big black clouds, but that's okay. We need the rain. I don't think we're supposed to have any kind of severe storms, just a summer storm, which sometimes are just very soothing to me to hear the thunder and the rain, and it's very soothing. I think so anyway. Um, we finally got round to making this. I've been wanting to make it for some time, and I just came from the grocery store. And this is what I've got right here: chili cheese Fritos. I buy them all the time to make this salad, and we end up eating the Fritos before I get my salad made. So I just came in with my Fritos, so we're going to make this salad before we eat up all our Fritos. Got us a bowl, got out all of our ingredients. We're going to make us a salad, okay? All right, what we need a can of corn. I'm making a half of a recipe instead of a whole recipe because there's not too many of us here that'll eat this. Probably just me, to tell you the truth. All right, got my corn drained. Used my little my little can drainer. Y'all hear Andy? Andy's sitting over there in the window. That's his perch. See how it fits on top of a can? And you just drain it. Perfect. All right, so that's going into the bowl. 1 can of corn. You can use frozen corn, but you need to thaw it out first. And I've got this canned corn that I've had for a while that I needed to use up. Let's see what the date is on it. I don't even see the date on it. Oh, there it is on the bottom. Oh, I've got another year and 3 months. 15 more months to use up my 8 cans of corn. I think I'll do it. I think I'll manage. All right, we need some celery. I don't know how much. The recipe says a half or a fourth of a cup. I don't even remember. But I'm going to try to chop it, and measure it for you all, okay? So you kind of know. Let me grab a knife. Here's one of these big, sharp knives. I'm telling y'all, these are the best knives. There's a coupon code, and there's a link below. They're in my Amazon storefront. Let me wash this celery real quick. It's been washed, but that piece doesn't even look good. I don't know why I'm doing that. And I'm going to chop it with this chopper right here. If you all want to get you some of these knives. Okay, here's our celery. Let's see how much of that we've got. Got me a measuring cup. This is a 1 cup measure. This will actually measure it for us right here. Let's see. That's a half a cup, okay? See, this has got little measurements on the side of it. Put all that down there. That's a half a cup of celery. And like I said, I just know the ingredients that go in it. I don't actually have a written down recipe because this is one of those I just use what I have. All right, we need some pepper, and I think I'm going to go with red because I think it'll be pretty. All right. So, I have to cut these again because they need to fit on that grate right there. There we go. Let's see how much pepper I've got right here. That's about a half a cup. And since I've got this other piece of pepper right here, I'm going to go ahead and use it. So this will probably get me a little more than a half a cup. Maybe about, that's showing 1 cup of pepper, okay? It's showing me I've got 1 cup of pepper, which is fine. Add as much or as little as you want to, right? All right, now we need some onion. And this is something I'm not going to add too much of, even though this is one of these candy onions that is so sweet. Because I'm not a huge raw onion fan. I am just not. So, pick some of those off and put them on there in a minute. All right, let's see how much onion I've got. Okay, this is a cup of onion. So I'm not going to use that whole cup of onion. I may use about, that's about a third of a cup of onion, okay? And I'll put that in a bag and put it in the freezer in a few minutes. Set that back here out of our way. Get this wrapped up. Get it out of our way. Now then, we're about through with this, you all. Easy peasy, quick. Very quick. We need some mayonnaise. And since I'm making a half a recipe, it calls for, I know it calls for a cup of mayonnaise. So I'm going to start with that's about a third of a cup. Just mix this up. And I think that's plenty of mayo. Plenty of mayo. Look how pretty that is. Isn't that pretty? And it tastes ever so yummy. But what you do is you crush up you some Fritos and put some in a little bowl here. Because I don't want to put all the Fritos in this. Because you probably won't eat the whole thing tonight. Okay? And I don't want my Fritos to get soggy. You want to add those at the very last minute. Okay? Right before you serve it. Can y'all see what I'm doing right here? Let me move that out of the way. Set this right here. Just crush them up. Right like this. Y'all, this is a wonderful summertime salad to take to a picnic, a get-together, whatever. It's easy to make, quick to fix. Everything is readily available. Okay, let me wash my hands off. And then we're going to taste it with our Fritos in it. Yum. And there was one laying there. Okay, let's mix this up. All right, here goes. That is so good. So good, just like that. All right, so let's recap what we did. We've got 1 can, 15.25 ounce can of whole kernel corn. Mine's in water with sea salt. Okay, that's what I use. Use whatever kind you want. We've got what did I say? Got a whole cup of red pepper, sweet red pepper, bell pepper. We've got a half a cup of celery. And we have about a third of a cup of mayo and about a third of a cup of chopped sweet onion. Now, if you want a stronger onion, put you a stronger onion in there. Go for it. You can add jalapenos in there. That gives them a little more kick, a little more spice, makes it delicious. But that's how easy and quick this was to throw together. I mean, what, 5 minutes, 10 minutes from start to finish. And I could eat that just as a meal. I don't need anything else. It'd be great with sandwiches, burgers, whatever. It's really good, y'all. So y'all remember to like, share, subscribe, comment, ring the bell for notifications so you don't miss a video. That'll be all for this one. We'll see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching.